I'm making a second vlog, and yeah, so we're about to take off. Guys, it's so freaking dark in here. Like, I can't even see. Oh! I don't know if you guys saw that on camera, but there was lightning. I'm not supposed to be flying lightning. And I just met one of the pilots who were driving the plane at the other plane. And, okay, I think we're taking off. If you guys don't really know, the plane has stopped. Sucks. Alright. Just doing a little phone shake. Phone shake. Alright. Glenn. Turn up my heart. Phone glitching out. Just kidding. Just shaking up the phone. Guys, I don't know when this plane's gonna take off. I know you guys are wanting to take off. I know, but yeah. We're gonna take off in a second now. Alright. And I got passing on. Alright. Alright. Take off in a second now.
Here we go.
Alright. And 5, 4, 3,
Here we go.
2, 1. Going so fast, guys. Oh my god. No! Guys, it's so bumpy and fast. Guys, can you believe this? Oh my god, my phone's shaking a lot because I'm going so fast. Guys, it's so crazy. Can't believe this. You were actually on a plane. If you can see, it's a wing. Oh my god, we're in the... Yo! We just took off.